Alright.
So you don't get nervous.
I rarely get nervous.
Yeah, better to give a warning. Doesn't hurt if you don't get nervous, and it could help if you do.
I have a little switch on my Radio Master.
And what
I
does it do?
put a voice on it. Step back from the pilot and live to see another day. Doesn't do anything other than that.
It makes you feel good.
But this isn't Radio Master, so.
Yeah, I see. It's special.
You can see that landing light good too.
Yeah. I actually want to take a look at where you fly. You're flying around 3/4 throttle, 60 to 75%.
On this thing, yeah.
Because I think
I don't
one
like
of my
to.
issues is that I tend to want to slow it down. And,
Well,
let it keep
especially
going.
in the wind, you don't want to.
And then it stalls out. If I drop it below 50% on that P-51, it stalls for sure.
Well, I'm used to flying fast from the jet, so.
Yeah.
I mean, I could go a little bit more crazy, but it's too windy.
Well, I think that I have to learn to just leave the throttle up a little bit, and I have more control over those surfaces, even in the turns.
Oh, you definitely need throttle on the turns.
Yeah. I think that's where I make some of my mistakes. I start to make a turn, all of a sudden it's turning the other way, and then I try to apply throttle when it's already in the wrong direction. And now I'm correcting instead of controlling.
I don't know what happened to my timer. It usually tells me.
I can't see it. It's up against
Yeah,
the phone.
don't worry about it. Next pass.
Yeah, too high, right?
Yeah. Maybe I'll use a little flaps.
That's a Timber X, right? Timber?
Yeah.
Timber X.
Well, this thing slows down, so.
I was gonna say you're pretty high up. Is that where you wanted to be? I'm not criticizing. I'm trying to learn. And then now you're flying.
Yeah, this one slows down, so I
With
can
the
come
flaps,
in.
yeah.